Hi y'all, it's Karma here, hoping you're having an amazing day. If you're new to our channel, welcome, welcome. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have had a good time with me and want to subscribe to the channel and become a part of our holistic healing community. Today we're going to be opening the Wolf Thyme Box by Wolf Thyme. And Wolf Thyme is one of my favorite companies. I get 3 of their boxes right now, and in the description all of their boxes will be listed so that you can look at them and go back and watch the videos for the other boxes as well. But Wolf Thyme is sent to me for a review, and so we do have a discount code, Karma15, for 15% off your boxes, and I'll leave that in the comment section below as well as in the video description. So Wolf Thyme is a monthly subscription box that is catered with 5 self-care and magical items to help you connect to your nature, yourself, and your path to the moon. Expect things like rituals, oracle cards, crystals, original artwork, spiritual tools, holistic care, and more. The box is $28 a month plus shipping. And it is so worth the money. Kat is the owner of the company, and she does all the artwork and so many of the other items that are in the box. So let's review what we got in last month's box really quickly before we look at this month. In last month's box, we received the 2 incense sticks, the original artwork 5x7 watercolor print Ocean Star by Kat, and I am loving all of her artwork, especially in the new house. There's special places for each of her pieces to go. We received the polished black shell. Oh, that was so gorgeous, and I love having it for my smudge sticks and such, or to burn incense in. We received the sea salt bath ritual kit, and I have not done that yet. I look forward to doing it, but got a little behind on my boxes and then hurt my shoulder, so I'm even more behind, so I haven't had a chance to do some of those self-care rituals that I enjoy doing so much. We received the tumbled blue agate, 3 of them, and they were beautiful, and I love that we got 3 because of my crystal gridding. It's a perfect amount to have. The gold pearl necklace, which was absolutely breathtaking, and I did give that away as a gift to someone special. And that's what we got in last month's box. So let's get right into this month's box and see what we have. As you open up the box, got the tissue paper on there. And then everything else is tucked down inside. You've got a little scroll here, a couple of items, and then the rest tucked down below there as well. Excuse the thunder and lightning we're getting right now. So, looks like they did like a little scroll with our items on it. That's something a little bit new. I do like it, except for honestly, I don't like things that are rolled up as much in boxes because it's just harder to read and to handle for me. But we'll read this as we get into each of the items. But it does say sacred breath is our theme this month, bringing in the magic of breeze, aromas that fill the air, and changing our energy with air manipulation. You will have a cleansing power of breath of nature while centering your soul and mind. So let's first look at the beautiful artwork that she did, because I just love them. Looks like a firefly this time. Isn't that gorgeous? I love all the brush marks and the symbolism that she uses in all her paintings. And she does have a website where you can watch her do her paintings as well. So let's see. Original artwork 5x7 watercolor print, the LunaLux. Dragonfly Mist is an original watercolor painting done of a dragonfly hovering above the swaying ferns in the breeze. It has the element symbol of air and creates an energy of time standing still. The dragonfly represents agility, transformation, and prosperity, with the energy center of root and sacrum, the mineral of rainbow quartz, and the element of air. Folk stories from Japan cite the dragonfly as a perfect way to bring their ancestors back for a visit from the veil, riding on its winged energy. The fern waves in the breeze and is very similar to the fan in how it moves. It is used to dispel negativity, promotes mental clarity, adds protection, health, and luck to your daily life. If you would like to see your painting in time-lapse shaman ritual being created, visit the YouTube channel, the LunaLux. I love her artwork. Then it looks like we have a fan. Oh, very pretty. There's the fan. Satin Japanese bamboo fan. The vintage Japanese fan is made of satin fabric and bamboo and opens gently into a beautiful botanical scene. Originally created in Japan in the 6th century, the fan was used in the ancient art of feng shui, water, earth, fire, wood, and metal. It was also used by the ancient Chinese in casting spells, calling upon spirits, and many magical applications. Fans made of feathers were used in shamanic rituals and in smudging ceremonies. As you connect to your new magical tool, create a space to use for yours and use the element of air to create your intentions. You can also use it to fan away negative energy from your aura and fan on positive cleansing when you use your aura spray. As you spritz the spray in the air, simply fan the mist onto you, enhancing the energy. Very pretty, and I love that it's silk, so it's not a super cheap fan like the paper ones that you often see. All right, what else do we have? Looks like we have a big stone here. So pretty. Look at that point on it. It's got a really pretty point on the top. Almost looks like a lapis, or I don't know, it might be calcite. Whatever it is, it's pretty, and I really love that point on the top. Let's see, what are you? Ah, Sodalite. Premium Sodalite rough point. Element wind, chakra third eye, focus, enhanced insight, mental performance, and deepened intuition. Your premium Sodalite is a rough crystal with a polished point. Ooh, that's a big lightning. I don't know if you'll hear it on the thing, but woo! With a polished point and a flat-shaped surface so that it can stand on its own. It is made of caloric sodium, aluminum silicate, and comes in blue, gray, white, cream, blue, green, and red, brown. It helps you perceive where your path lies, creates guidance for spiritual growth, creates a place for higher understanding without ego, and enhances your abilities. Sodalite also supports a more relaxed perception of life, eases worry, stress, and anxiety, and gives you an elevated perspective. Use it to enhance your meditation practice, deepen your tantric breath, or by your bed to help you relax. Who can't use less worry and less stress? That's beautiful. All right. Then we have two more things. So it's been talking about our spray, so let me get it out next. Looks like we did have some leakage in there. It's good because it was in a thing, but the label on it definitely is destroyed. So it doesn't really say much on the label, so I'll have to write on there, but see how it just kind of destroyed that label. But I'll write on it what it is. See, how's it smell? Really nice, kind of subtle, but really nice. Sacred Breath Aura Spray. In your frosted glass bottle, you have a delicate Sacred Breath Aura Spray made from several essential oils inspired by nature and plants that represent the element of air. The ingredients include water, alcohol, and pure essential oils of patchouli, bergamot, lavender, clary sage, citrus bliss, and midnight forest blends. Shake it well, then spritz into the air as you cleanse your aura and to breathe in the magic of nature's aromas. It can be used right before meditation or with your fan to raise your vibration. That's really nice. Smells yummy. And our final thing is a little bag here. This must be like our DIY kit, ritual kit. Let's see what's in it. We've got the tea bag. There's some herbs down in it. There's a cream ribbon. I don't want to pull it all out because the herbs are kind of interspersed. And this must be the directions. And then there's herbs down in the bottom. So down the bottom you've got some herbs down there. Then you've got this cream colored ribbon. And then the directions here. Sacred Breath Ritual. Needed chamomile flowers, lavender flowers, peppermint leaf, ribbon, feathers, pen, and then goes through the ritual there. Very nice. And it tells you when to do it during the waxing moon. What does it say? Sacred Breath Ritual, Sacred Breath Wind Ritual Kit. Nestled in your little bag are all the contents you need to create your Sacred Breath Wind Ritual. Ritual scroll, long ivy satin ribbon, herbs of chamomile, peppermint leaf, and lavender, feathers. So there must be feathers down in there too, I didn't see. Use this ritual to connect to the wind energy outside, create your manifestations, and send them out into the universe on the breeze. That's amazing. I love little rituals. You know that it just really connects me to the divine and makes me feel like I'm, I don't know, just gives me a chance to be quiet and to listen to my intuition and such. So in this box, we received the Satin Japanese bamboo fan, which was absolutely gorgeous. The Sacred Breath Aura Spray, which was beautiful, and I'll just write on there where the label went awry. And please excuse all the thunder if it's picking up on my mic because it's really loud right now. The Sacred Breath Wind Ritual Kit, the original artwork 5x7 watercolor print called Dragonfly Mist, and the premium Sodalite Rough Point. What a great box this month. I give it 2 thumbs up. I look forward to using these items and putting the beautiful picture artwork up. I often use it during my meditations and such, and there's just the items go together so well to really, you can perform the rituals exactly as she says or find things more personalized to you, and so that your practice is coming from your own intentions and with your own flair for your spiritual growth. I hope you enjoyed the time here with us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe if you haven't, and the thumbs up give us a like. And come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.